everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be learning how to hide our yarn ends. So you're going to need a garment or whatever you need to hide your yarn ends from. For me today, it's this cute little dog sweater. It's a new pattern that I've designed. I haven't done a tutorial for it yet, but if you think I should do a tutorial for this dog sweater, let me know in the comments. Put a little comment or something, and maybe I'll do up a tutorial for this. It's really cute. Anyway, so let's get started with hiding yarn ends. So what we're going to start with is turn your item inside out. Then we are going to pick an end. Now grab your needle. I am using a crafting needle. I use crafting needles because they are a little bit pointy. Now most yarn needles are blunt. Oh man. Okay, so the struggle is real. We have to thread the needle. Ah, did I get it this time? Yeah, I got it. Okay, so where was I? Yarn needles are usually blunt. Crafting needles are a bit pointy, and I prefer the pointiness to go through the yarn because we're just picking up the back stitches, and sometimes, like, I don't know if you can see here, but you go in between the actual fibers, and so having that pointiness makes it easier to do. Okay, so we go through a few stitches and then we pull through. Now we're going just behind where our working yarn is coming out. We're going just behind and then past. And this is called a back stitch. And this is going to anchor your yarn so you don't have to do knots. Now notice my fingers are also to the front of my work because we're working on the back side. And that's to make sure I'm not going through to the front. I want to make sure I'm only picking up the back loops. You're going to do this for as long as you have yarn, or if you have a lot of yarn, just probably in no less than 3. Cut it. And there you go, guys. You have just hidden your thread. And it's not showing in the front. It's not showing in the back. And it's stabilized because of those back stitches. So if this was helpful to you at all, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Check my description. I put all kinds of goodies in my description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.